taper off by Thursday afternoon, with 8 to 12 inches for most of southern New England. Over a foot is possible on the northern end, with 4 to 8 inches from Charlestown to New Bedford. I'm Storm Team 10 meteorologist Anthony McCarr on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
It's a big one. Lisa Brady, Fox News. States of emergency popping up along the path of a storm that could dump 2 feet of snow in some areas.
We expect a significant winter storm to begin moving its way across the state.
New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy's emergency declaration kicks in at this hour. Federal health officials and shipping companies say contingencies are in place to keep deliveries of Pfizer's COVID vaccine going as the storm system spreads from the Carolinas up to Maine. Both sides standing their ground at a Senate hearing on the 2020 election. Fox's Rachel Sutherland has this live.
Lisa, former Census Director Christopher Krebs said paper ballots provided a trail for any irregularities as he maintained the U.S. election was secure.
Not so much trying to convince the winner they won, it's the loser that they lost, and you need willing participants on both sides.
Attorney Jesse Vanel testified that in Nevada, Republicans couldn't access the ballots.
So these paper backups, they're supposed to provide such transparency. We couldn't use them. We couldn't see them.
President Trump fired Krebs last month after he said the election was the most secure in American history. Lisa?
Thanks, Rachel. For now, the president's legal challenges claiming election fraud continue. Meanwhile, the president-elect keeps building his administration, appearing today with a former rival, Pete Buttigieg. The former Indiana mayor tapped to be transportation chief and help navigate an expected focus on sustainable and upgraded infrastructure.
Policemen also carry out the department's duty to keep Americans safe on our roads and our highways and on our skies. The peace is going to help build back better with jobs and hope, with vision and execution. And I'm honored he's answering the call to serve his country once again.
Buttigieg says he's humbled he would be the first openly gay cabinet member confirmed by the U.S. Senate. America is listening to Fox News.
This report is sponsored by Merrill. News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Traffic.
Seeing some delays out there as we get up to 610. Outbound is heavy at Dean Street. Not a problem as we get well onto 195 and 295.